kill bacteria and smells, the first goal is to find the source of the smell and remove it. Once that's done, it's the bacteria that's left behind and the lingering odor you need to address. Lime juice, which is an acidic acid, has been used for centuries to kill bacteria. From cholera to scurvy, you can use the lime juice as an effective way to kill bacteria on the offending area. But be sure to wear protective gloves and glasses, as an acidic acid will sting if you get it in your eyes or any other minor skin irritations you may have on your hands. Also, if you cut up a few of these limes with the juice and add a half a cup of water and boil them on the stove, it will remove any airborne odors as well. Thanks for hanging out with Long Island's home cleaning experts, Teresa's Family Cleaning. We hope these tips help to keep your home clean. And remember, our reputation is spotless. Visit us at Teresa's Family Cleaning for more helpful cleaning tips.